Alright guys, there's date and time on the Garmin for 620. In this video, we're going to ride the elevator here at 330 East Main in Barrington, Illinois. And guess what guys? According to these panels, this elevator is a Fujitec. So now we're going to take it for a ride. And apparently St. Louis Elevators, Jason has filmed this a while back. Although I wasn't really sure which building had Fujitec, but then I realized it was this one. And wow, listen to that chime, guys. Isn't that cool or what? Now let's go to the basement. Suppose this works. Yep. It says it's a Fujitec. It looks like the basement is burnt out. Here at the basement. Seems to be a parking garage. So now let's go up to 3. Door operators could use a little bit of work though. Do none? Interesting. Doesn't look. Do none of the numbers work? Apparently so. Only the arrows work in Anchor, but not the numbers. Anyway, so there are 3. Oh yeah, listen to that door operator. That sounds really rough. Now let's go back down to the basement. It seems like only the down chime works. Here's just your cab view. It's a pretty nice elevator for an office building. I love the lighting up here too. So anyways, there's your indicator right there. Here are your fixtures. And there's your phone in there. It also has the Fujitec nameplates on the door track right here. So you can see. Hear water running. Oh, I see. It's coming from the sprinkler room. So I'm going to go up to 1. In the video, and it does not look like the up chime works. I don't know. We'll test that out on the first floor. Anyway, there's your certificate of inspection. I'll pause to read. So I'm going to let this elevator close up and then test to see if the up chime works or not. Anyways, there it goes. Now we're going to call it up. And I was right, guys. The up chime does not work, and the up lantern is burnt out as well. So yeah, wait. At least the down works. Anyways, there it goes. And that's going to be it.